Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. And of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to get easy profits, trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, many other benefits. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Let's go right now to see BTC against USD. And as you can see right here, there was something I didn't like on the daily, while there was something I really liked in the 4-hour frame, and I'm going to explain thoroughly. First of all, I didn't like the fact that we didn't close above the 20.9k around there to 20.8. Alright, I would prefer to see Bitcoin closing above this line on the daily frame. However, in the other hand right there, what I saw and I was like, okay, it is not the time to short out yet. It was this closing above candlestick. You can see that these altcoins and of course Bitcoin, when we have the Fibonacci being drawn from the bottom to the top, they usually fall down. Okay, so remember always that when you anticipate a correction, you should be drawing your Fibonacci from the bottom to the top to find major support levels. And therefore, what is happening, let's say that you figured out the bottom and the top correctly, and you're having this correction right here. It is very rare to see when you lose on the daily frame the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement and after closing above. It is rare, however, it happened right here, and this is the reason why I thought that maybe we are going to have a pump into the next 4 hours. And here you can see that from the time we closed above this line right here, because the previous 4 hours we closed always below, we had a pump. But right now we need to see, is this enough to get us all the way higher, or will this be another correction kicking in? What I personally think about BTC right now is that we might be having another correction going on, probably going towards the 20.2k and so on. All right. So this is what I'm thinking about Bitcoin right now. That is, unless we have a green candlestick today. What I mean by that is, if we have a green candlestick today and we close with a green candlestick, no matter what is it just a big one? Is it just a small one? It doesn't matter. Okay, so if we close down from this line right here and with a bearish candlestick, then we are going to achieve for sure the 20.2k and maybe going even to the 19.7. However, if we have a green candlestick, we are going to pump, and eventually this pump can bring us all the way up to the 22.7 to 22k first actually, and then to 22.8k. So this could mean that we are going all the way on the daily up here. But what we need to do is to have a green candlestick today. If we have a green candlestick today, this is a sign that the bears are not ready yet to push the price down, and therefore bulls will step in the next day, pushing the price even higher. Okay, so right now what I'm interested also to see is that if we can manage to close above the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, we are going to go all the way up higher. However, right now it seems like we're finding a little bit of rejection, right? You can see that we are struggling a little bit on the 20-day and the 50-day MA because we have multiple layers of resistance level right here, okay? And this is the most critical part. Anyway, I'm going to give also the exact targets for the short term as of resistance levels. You can see how perfectly we found the 0.5 Fibonacci, and then we had a little bit of a sell pressure. The next one is the 21.3k. However, right now we have to close above the 21.1k in order to go there, because if we cannot manage to close above this line, we are going to fall down, and unfortunately we might be falling down further than the 20.7k. That is the case for BTC against USDT or USD, in which is the case that we are facing right now. Okay, and we are going to correct even more. So you need to be a little bit careful right now. When we have a sideways market, it is very crucial to know that you can get liquidated easily. When you have a bearish market, it is very easy to trade. When you have a bullish market, it is very easy to trade. When you have a sideways market, it is not as easy to trade as you think. But anyway, always put the stop loss. All right, because many people are saying that it is easy, very easy right here to trade. No, it is not. However, if you use the stop loss, it is okay. It is good for scalping. It is good for trading, day trading. It is not good for swing trades. Okay, this whole price action is not so good for swing trades, for short-term trades. However, as we have already talked about, for long-term trades, it is the best to accumulate right now Bitcoin as long as you can at 21K. All right, and you can see 21.1, 21.3K. We have also the 21K being our major resistance level that we have not closed above yet. Yes, we are above that, but we have not closed above. So anyway, my personal take is that we are going to correct. I really hope that we have a green candlestick. However, the daily frame could start bullish, but it could end up bearish like we had back yesterday. If you remember, we started bullish and we fell down. Could this happen today? Yes, it can. And we explain the next support levels. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.